Hello traders, it's Stanley Martin. So first thing first, thank you to be part of this team, the STT strategy team. What to be expecting for you guys is very simple, is two things, well, maybe three, which actually is to follow the rules, working hard and be part of the team. So working as a team, very important. Follow the rules, very important. And first learn the strategy, and then if you got new ideas, we can actually working together into that direction. So I'm gonna explain to you guys first who am I, and how old is this strategy, why it's so powerful, and why I've been selected this strategy against many. Obviously, you need to look for what make you profitable, but obviously what you can see as well in the market. But there is one problem on the market and the structures on the charts and patterns and all that, is that there is so many thousand combinations, millions of combinations if you add the account, the time frames, that is actually almost impossible to know all of them and to make a decision which strategy is my best strategy, which is this, that, or whatever. So the main point of is to actually to working something that you can actually follow up for a long time. That was my, like I said, okay, I studied this, I want to make sure that works for a long time. Simple. So what do I mean long time? I think this strategy is going to work forever. It's been working for, since the oldest charts I have found, there was 1720 from the US dollar. The reasons behind it is very simple. This actually is based on uncertainty. I got strategies for panic, I got strategies for fear. You will see some examples on the professional level, but the most important thing is that uncertainty is always there and it's reflected in anywhere that anybody is actually trading. And people ask me, but there is now robots. Robots is being made by humans and they create uncertainty too. So there is not any difference whatsoever. And the last 15 years I've been actually working on the STT. There was no difference whatsoever. I've been trading for 15 years at the below of the STT. How I did found it? I was looking for something a bit silly because I was looking for the lowest option of the STT, which means, STT at that time, it was actually the lowest of any structure. Looking for 5 pips stop loss and making 1000 pips. Took me many years until I realized that why I complicated my life so much if I can make money on something that works always. So that's how I actually found the STT, and I found what happened before the STT and what happened after. That's as a professional level. Now, what you have actually going through first for this actually course is based on 9 modules. So the 9 modules that you have going to go through, the first 3, you don't need to do the 9 modules. You can be profitable only on the foundations with this module 1 to 3. So with that, you will have enough. You will have actually a simple entry and exit and a stop loss. Very simple, not very complicated, but you need to find the first, what is the direction of the market? And from there, you will be able to identify a perfect entry in your strategy and make more than you lost. So we will come back with this, what is the mean on percentage and which options you can have on the STT level 1, which is actually module 1 to 3. Then you're going to have other choices after. Will you have more time? You would like to study a bit more? Then you go module 4 to 6. And those 3 modules actually is more complex entries and to be able to avoid losses on the level 1. So we're looking for make more money. Now, the question that I got myself after that is how I can make more. So I'm a bit greedy, so I have to find what happened. If I identify what happened before and what I can do after, because I saw trades they blown up and they're going up and up and up and up and up, down, and I was actually took my profits too early. So I developed a strategy that actually helped me to make more profit from the market, which is called Sadhguru. That will be module 7 to 9. Now, the other part is, if you are able to identify what happened before, then you will be prepared for the STT when it happens. So STT happens on reversals and it happens on continuations. The ones that are more profitable is continuations, but the reversals become more complex. But there is another pattern, is called RTT, which actually happened before the STT, and that will help you to make more profit. That is actually in professional level. Now, keep in mind that, so we got 9 modules. 1 to 3 is where you're gonna go through. We expect only to follow the rules, learn the basics, which is more than enough to be profitable from that. And you will see the statistics on the next modules or the next videos. You will make much more if you go for 4 to 7 and much more if you're going from the last levels. Yeah. Okay, so this is the introduction of our course. Welcome to STT team. So see you on the next video. Have a good day. Bye now.